Do you want to know how to generate employer PRN for SSS contributions online? Watch this video until the end. Hi, welcome to Epinoid channel. For today's video, I will show you how to generate PRN for SSS contributions for employers. To generate, open your mobile phone or computer browser. On your computer browser, type in the address bar, www.google.com. Type in the Google search bar, SSS official website. Click the link on the SSS official website. Go to Portals on the website and click the Employer button. Log into your employer account. Click the Sign In button to proceed. On your account, click the Payment Reference Number button. If you haven't enrolled your employees yet, check the description below on how to add new employees online. To generate PRN, click the Download button. A PDF file will be generated and downloaded into your computer. Congratulations! You have successfully generated employer PRN online. For more upcoming tutorial videos, like and subscribe Epinoid Tutorial TV now.